A man who is in prison on a life sentence for murder is trying to overturn his conviction now that the DNA analyst on his case is under criminal investigation.
His attorney believes this is the first motion of its kind. This, of course, follows the Colorado Bureau of Investigation learning that Missy Woods had deleted or manipulated data in hundreds of cases. 9 News Investigates reporter Kelly Rinke's been following a lot of this story, and she's learning the DA's office is expecting similar motions to be filed.
Kim and Tom, CBI says Missy Woods deleted and manipulated data in more than 650 cases, questioning her credibility during her nearly 30-year career. The district attorney in Boulder says he isn't surprised that people convicted of crimes are challenging their rulings. Michael Clark has been in prison for 12 years. He was convicted in a murder that happened in 1994 for shooting and killing a man at an apartment in Boulder. A motion obtained by 9 News Investigates is asking for his conviction to be overturned. This case went unsolved for years until Missy Woods analyzed DNA in the case. Prosecutors charged Clark in 2012. The motion claims Clark is in prison for a crime he didn't commit because Woods gave false testimony on the DNA. Earlier this year, CBI found since 2008, Woods' misconduct affected hundreds of cases. Clark's attorney believes his client would not have been found guilty if that information was available during trial.
There is no way he would have been convicted. There's no way her testimony would even have been presented. She is a completely non-credible witness. No district attorney is putting her up on the stand in any case anymore. So without her testimony, there was no case.
According to the Boulder District Attorney, CBI determined there were no issues with Woods' analysis on this case, but his office will carefully review the evidence for each of these claims to see if the outcome at trial was truly the right one. Kim.
Kelly, for people that are just kind of loosely following this, again, in most of these cases, no evidence that she outright lied or said, no, this evidence doesn't exist, I'm making it up. But there are so many questions about how the evidence was, how she gathered it, that so many cases are up in the air.
Yeah, Kim, the CBI has found no evidence that she falsified any DNA matches. She simply cut corners, according to the agency. But yes, we're starting to see the effects of how this is impacting not only cases that are currently going through the judicial system, but this is really the first test that we have seen for someone who has been convicted and is currently serving time behind bars.
Yeah, well, you're following all of them, so thank you. It's unbelievable. It's really surreal. Thank you.